Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the chainsaw with Kirby's. It kind of doesn't work, but let's still try it. Okay, this is how you do it. Oh, whoops. This is how you do it. You have to hold your baby like this, showing you to do like this. Then rip Kirby's, and then into the stadium, and it goes around in circles and attacks. And that is the chainsaw, cause look, this is how it goes. Whoops, messed. See, that's the chainsaw. Let's try battling with Bouchy V2. Attack type versus attack special move. Think that. Whoop. Let's try Gideon. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. What's Kirby's? You can only do it with Kirby's or smooth sides. Whoops. Okay. Let me go get the pieces. Where's the other one? Oh. Or it can burst itself, I guess. It can. Let's do it again. Gideon. Kirby's! Chainsaw! Go! One more. Special move! Oh, special! Special self-destruct. Yeah, self-destruction. Oof! This is what I do. These are the special moves that I know for these Beyblades. Let it rip. That. That. And that. That is all I know. But but I did this on the other channel. It's called How to Burst a Stamina Type. Stamina Beyblade. So, that is how you do the chainsaw. And I'll see you next time. Peace!